This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix Mobile Legends app keep crashing on iPhone. So whenever you try to open Mobile Legends app, the app is automatically closing. If you're facing this issue, follow these quick solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is check for update. Go to your app store, search for Mobile Legends. If you see any update available, then update the app and check the issue. The second solution is offload the app. Go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on General, tap on iPhone storage, tap on Mobile Legends, tap on offload app, and then you will see reinstall option here. So you have to reinstall the Mobile Legends app from here. So reinstall the Mobile Legends app from here and then check the issue. The third solution is check your iPhone storage. If your iPhone storage running out, it may be the reason of your Mobile Legends app automatically closing issue. To solve it, you can offload or uninstall unwanted apps and games from your iPhone. Also, you can delete some unnecessary photos and videos to free up your iPhone storage. Then check the issue. The next solution is give a simple restart. Sometimes restarting your iPhone can fix this kind of issues. So restart your iPhone and check the issue. The last and final solution is uninstall your current Mobile Legends app and reinstall it from App Store. And hope this solution will fix Mobile Legends app keep crashing issue on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.